This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200 MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ringgold, Georgia, 30736 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Chattanooga. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a GUNSTOCK interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.